the things zakomoya uzikhuluma ngomkhuleko ora bahasuya la bahandele besa. So uyangena so that uzokwazi ukuthi ezweni lakomoya kuthiwani kuse sizokwazi ukukhuleka umkhuleko oqondile. In the time of revival, it is not just making prayer, but it is to make prayer imikhuleko leqondile. Oh hallelujah. The prayer le misiwe uNkulunkulu ngoba before we can even pray uNkulunkulu uyamisa uyavusa abantu for imikhuleko ethize. Me as Chobeka angeke ngikhuleke noma nguphi umkhuleko. Nawe ngeke ukhuleke noma nguphi umkhuleko. But uNkulunkulu uyakuvusa kumisa esikhaleni so that you can pray imikhuleko yangaleso sikhathi. Shala mahasuya nabaha. So kubalekile lokuthi ungene emkhulekweni uqale uzipositione.